Coinbase confirmed relisting of XRP Ripple. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. The cryptocurrency community continues to criticize Gary Gensler and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for their approach to regulating cryptocurrencies. Crypto investors believe that the SEC's regulatory tactics in the crypto space are unfriendly compared to other financial markets. Ryan Selkis, founder of Masari, criticized Gensler for focusing mainly on seizing SEC power over the entire crypto sector instead of prioritizing investor protection. According to Selkis, Gensler's negligent attitude to investor protection resulted in $7 billion in losses as a result of SEC fraud, due to its inability to approve a spot ETF at the expense of investors in Grayscale. Last year, $1 billion was lost due to cryptocurrency fraud. $7 billion was lost due to fraud by the SEC, which failed to approve a spot ETF at the expense of investors in Grayscale. Gary Gensler does not care about protecting investors, promoting capital accumulation, or ensuring equity in the markets. He cares about power. $1 billion was lost to crypto fraud last year. $7 billion has been lost to the SEC's fraud in failing to approve a spot ETF at the expense of Grayscale investors. Gary Gensler doesn't care about protecting investors, promoting capital formation, or making markets fair. He cares about power. Selkis' tweet provoked a reaction from lawyer John Deaton. He criticized the SEC for causing losses to XRP investors in the amount of $15 billion when the agency accused Ripple of allegedly offering unregistered securities in the United States. Attorney Deaton, who currently represents more than 72,000 XRP holders in a class action lawsuit against the SEC, said the agency deliberately decided not to limit its charges against the Silicon Valley company to specific sales. Forbes expert Rosalind Layden, Ph.D., already known to us, described the tactics of regulation by coercion of the Securities and Exchange Commission as manipulation through arbitrary decisions, as well as the absence of a process and rules. The journalist claims in a recent article that the increase in the number of settled SEC cases against cryptocurrencies indicates that the agency does not have clear rules. Indeed, about 90% of SEC cases are settled rather than completed in court. Such a high degree of enforcement and settlement suggests that the SEC's rules are unclear and may not exist, Layden said. She noted that a recent review article by the SEC chairman titled, "The SEC Treats Cryptography the Same as the Rest of the Capital Markets," is unfounded, given the number of cases brought against crypto companies. So many lawsuits indicate that the SEC prefers regulation by coercion, a lawsuit against a financial entity aimed at obtaining a settlement, rather than regulation by the rules, she said. She further writes, the division has about 200 crypto lawsuits since its founding in 2017, with fraud being the subject of at least 80 investigations. The agency also reports on the restoration of monetary assistance in the amount of $2 billion. According to Layden, the Securities and Exchange Commission has sent hundreds of lawyers tasked with prosecuting companies for non-compliance with agency rules that still cannot be found on the SEC's website. However, Layden suggested that the agency could encourage some of these practicing lawyers to develop clearer cryptocurrency rules. Cryptocurrency figures have been begging Congress and the SEC for clear rules for years, but this has not happened. Gensler has been working for a year and a half. It's time to do it, Layden added. For Layden, although the SEC continues to assert that all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin are securities, it is a fact that some crypto assets can be a currency. The issue of currency or security is at the heart of the SEC's dispute against Ripple Labs in the status of the XRP digital currency, Layden added. It is noteworthy that the top management of the SEC had been thinking for some time about whether XRP was a security before William Hinman made a controversial speech supporting ETH. Unfortunately, The SEC did not investigate and develop rules before accusing Ripple of violating U.S. securities regulations during the initial coin offering, ICO, in 2013. The SEC also accuses Ripple that Ripple should have known that XRP is a security since the registry debuted in 2013, although the SEC itself did not know about it until it filed a lawsuit in 2020, she said. The article provoked a number of reactions from members of the cryptocurrency community, including John Deaton, a lawyer representing more than 72,000 XRP holders in a class action lawsuit against the SEC. At Rosalind Layden's article, note the note at the end. Gensler says crypto treated just like the market. 200 SEC lawsuits say otherwise. John Deaton, a lawyer representing more than 72,000 XRP holders in a lawsuit against the SEC, told more about Bill Hinman, a former senior SEC official, and about the conflict of interest regarding cryptocurrency supervision. According to Deaton's lawyer, despite the fact that Hinman headed the SEC's corporate finance department, he still received more than $9 million in profit sharing from Simpson Thacker Bartlett LLP, a partner of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, EEA. Lawyer Deaton shared documents showing how much Hinman received from the distribution of profits in the period from 2017 to 2018, when he made a controversial speech and actually gave the green light, Ethereum. Hinman received $7.8 million in profit sharing in 2017 and another $1.8 million in 2018. Deaton's lawyer added that the funds paid to Hinman as a profit distribution prompted the agency's ethics office to prohibit him from meeting with Simpson Thacker while he was at the SEC. The solution was to prevent Hinman from having a conflict of interest while working at the agency. This is because Simpson Thacker was affiliated with EEA, an organization created to promote Ethereum as an enterprise solution. Receiving any form of payment from the company could encourage Hinman to work in favor of the company. Despite the warnings, Hinman still met with Simpson Thacker employees several times. That's why a complete ban was imposed on any contact with Simpson Thacker. However, he repeatedly failed to comply with the requirements of the SEC ethics office, Deaton's lawyer said. 2017 Hinman got $7.8 million in profit sharing, and 2018 he got $1.8 million in profit sharing, in addition to retirement money. This is why there was a complete criminal bar against him having any contact with Simpson Thacker. Yet, he disobeyed the SEC ethics office again and again. Hinman is considered an integral part of the ongoing litigation between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple. For several months, Ripple has been demanding internal documents for Hinman's speech in 2018, where he declared Ethereum not a security. Ripple believes that during the preparation of Hinman's speech in 2018, some SEC representatives discussed Ripple, given its popularity at the time. However, all attempts to get a draft of Hinman's speech did not yield positive results. The SEC has consistently objected to the judge's orders to hand over the documents to Ripple. Deaton's lawyer said that the agency would rather agree to negotiate with Ripple than transfer Hinman's documents to a blockchain company. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.